Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So tomorrow is my sister's birthday. Sorry, I have to talk in a low voice because my sister is there outside. So I am going to collect the cake from my sister's friend. Okay, Mitali Didi. So she is not aware of it. I am going to collect it from her now. I'll give all the details later, but I have to go now. I got dressed. This is the outfit that I'm wearing today. So now I have to go and collect it, and then I'll show you how it looks like. So let's go now. So guys, I successfully bought the cake. Actually, she's not aware that me and one of her closest friend decided to give her a cake. Okay, so she bakes cake basically. That's why she made it for her, and I went and collected it from her. The cake is amazing. I'll show it to you when she'll cut the cake. I'll give the details and everything. My sister is not there at home right now, that's why I can talk to you guys. Actually, I told her that I'm going out for some work, and she's not at all aware that there are two cakes for her. One my parents have bought, and another one of her closest friend made it. I went and took it from her. So that is that, and now I'm gonna blow balloons. Okay, I have brought so many balloons, so I'm gonna blow it now, as she's not at home right now, so I'll blow it. She knows that I'm gonna blow balloons for her. She's aware that my parents are giving her cake, but she's not aware that her closest friend is giving her cake. So I'm very excited for her to see that. I'll try to record her reaction, so stay tuned for that. Now I'll blow some balloons. So here we keep our rubber bands. Could be a bit bigger, but let it be. So guys, it's almost 11:45. Now I'll decorate the place. Here's the cake, and there are the balloons. Okay, and we also have this cake which my sister's friend gifted her, which she's not aware of. Now I have to decorate the things and place it accordingly. My sister is watching TV. Let's start doing all this before 12 o'clock. So this is happy birthday, voila, and these are all the BTS characters. I don't know, Korean guy. So this is the cake, guys. This is a beautiful cake. কে করেছে বলতো? কে? তুই বল। মিতালি? হ্যাঁ। সিরিয়াসলি? তুই সিরিয়াসলি কেকটা বানিয়েছিস? তুই সিরিয়াসলি কেকটা বানিয়েছিস? আমাকে তো জানাসনি অসুবিধা ছিলে। কি সুন্দর, থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ। আমি ভাবিনি। বিশাল সুন্দর, বিশাল সুন্দর, থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ। থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ। আমি খুব খুশি, আমি ভাবিনি, আমি একদমই ভাবিনি। থ্যাংক ইউ। ছবি তুলছিস সেটা?
হ্যাঁ, সব ছবি তুলেছি।
আমি আমার ছবি তুলবো।
আর ঠিক আছে, তুলিস একদম।
আগে এটাকে জ্বালাতে হবে।
সব পারে কিন্তু।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, thank you. রাখছি তোর কেকটা।
ওই দেখো নীল লাগছে জেনারা।
আমাকেও দে।
ভালো হয়েছে কেকটা? হেভি হয়েছে।
পার্টি টাইম। আমার মুখটা কি বাজে লাগছে? See you tomorrow, guys.
সো গাইজ ইটস দ্য নেক্সট মর্নিং, আর আমার বার্থডে যেহেতু আজকে, তো স্পেশাল মর্নিং ব্রেকফাস্ট এটা। সরি গাইজ, লাঞ্চের প্রিপারেশন করতে সকালে একটু ব্যস্ত হয়ে গেছিলাম, তাই আর ব্লগ করা হয়নি। তো মা আজকে আমার জন্য স্পেশাল চিকেন বিরিয়ানি লাঞ্চে করেছে।
One eternity later.
So guys, as you can see, I'm a bit dressed up right now because it's my birthday and I have been doing some sorts of photo shoot, and my sister was doing it for me, birthday photo shoot kind of. So I want to tell you guys about this cake. This cake was a surprise by my very own friend Mitali and my sister. They planned it secretly. They have been planning it since last 1 month and I had no clue about this. So my friend Mitali is into baking and she bakes cakes, customized cakes, normal cakes. So she made this beautiful cake for me. It is a theme cake. So my sister knew that I kind of like these guys. Only 2 guys are here. So she secretly planned it with Mitali and Mitali gifted me this cake. She secretly collected it from Mitali and surprised me at dot 12, and I was really surprised. Like, you guys already saw how much surprised I was seeing this beautiful cake. Like, I had no idea. I literally had no idea that these guys are gonna surprise me so nicely. Like, I was completely shocked and I'm just so happy and lucky to have them in my life. Yeah, my friend Mitali makes such good cakes. She is into baking and her baking business name is Dreams Delight. We are gonna link the Facebook page link, the Insta link, and she's even having a website. So you can check it in the description box below. If you want to make any sorts of cakes, you can ping her, you can give her the details and she'll make whatever cake you want. And I love customized cakes and I hope many of you guys also love customized cakes. So if you genuinely love them, then you can go ping her in her Facebook page or in her website. Do check the description box, there are all the details about her baking business. So as you guys can see, I am almost ready. I'm just gonna wear a turtleneck because it's cold outside. She has not yet been ready, so she's gonna get ready. And as my birthday is to the end, we are thinking of having dinner outside. So we are gonna go out and have
some fun and have dinner and come back home.
Guys, ignore my face. I was just editing this birthday vlog which I have to upload tomorrow, and I was taking a nap. That's why I look like this. And I'm gonna go get ready, and we are definitely going to vlog our dinner and where we are going. So stay tuned for that. So let's go and get ready. See you guys in a bit. This is how we look, guys. Outfit of the day, outfit of the night. We'll vlog if we have the time to. So now we'll go out and have our dinner. See you guys. So guys, we are back, and
बहुत खा लिया.
yeah, so we have to drink cold drinks for that. We are ending the vlog here.
Hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed as much I have enjoyed on my birthday.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.